Getting ready for Ramadan, but want your space to reflect its beauty and serenity? Looking for decoration ideas that feel both festive and spiritual? Wondering how to transform your home into a peaceful haven during this sacred month? Need family-friendly and budget-conscious decor ideas that still make an impact? Curious how to combine tradition with modern design for a meaningful setup? Then stay tuned, because we're diving into Ramadan decor ideas that will bring warmth, faith, and elegance into every corner of your home. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What are the essential elements of Ramadan decor? Focus on lanterns, crescent moons, stars, and calligraphy. These symbols reflect both the spiritual and celebratory of the month. Combine soft lighting, natural textures, and gold or silver accents for a peaceful, uplifting ambience. Like peaceful vibes? Give this video a thumbs up. How can I decorate my living room for Ramadan? Add string lights or fairy lights around shelves, windows, or mantles. Place lanterns on coffee tables and swap in cushions with Islamic patterns or quotes. A centerpiece featuring a crescent moon and star can anchor your room with purpose. Let us know in the comments how you style your living room for Ramadan. What are some ways to create a Ramadan prayer corner? Designate a quiet area with a prayer rug, Quran stand, tasbih, and candles or lanterns. Add a subtle backdrop of Islamic art or a cloth with intricate patterns. Keeping the space simple yet sacred enhances the spiritual atmosphere. If this inspired your own corner, don't forget to like and share. How can I decorate the dining area for Iftar? Use a soft runner, elegant tableware, and lantern-style centerpieces. Incorporate name cards with Islamic quotes and small dates or prayer cards for guests. Soft, warm lighting can make the space feel intimate and welcoming. Hosting Iftar this year? Comment Iftar ready if you're planning a beautiful table. What color scheme works best for Ramadan decorations? Gold, white, navy, emerald, and soft pastels are perfect. These tones reflect both elegance and spirituality. Choose combinations that match your existing home palette for a harmonious look. Which color speaks to you most? Let us know below. How do I make a Ramadan calendar for the kids? Create a countdown calendar with 30 pouches or boxes, each holding a daily treat, dua, or good deed. Decorate it with stars, moons, and uplifting messages to keep the spirit of Ramadan exciting and educational for little ones. Want more kid-friendly ideas? Like this tip to see more. What are some DIY Ramadan lantern ideas? You can make lanterns from mason jars with tissue paper and gold trim, or construct them from paper cutouts with LED tea lights inside. Personalize them with names or duas for a thoughtful touch. Planning a DIY session? Share your project in the comments. How can I incorporate Islamic calligraphy into my decor? Use framed art prints of Quranic verses or duas as wall decor. You can also create banners or hang scrolls with elegant Arabic lettering. These not only beautify your space, but keep the focus on faith. Inspired by calligraphy? Tap like to save the idea. What are some eco-friendly Ramadan decoration ideas? Choose reusable fabric banners, glass lanterns, or wooden crescent moon decor. Repurpose items you already own and opt for LED lights over disposable ones. Sustainability is a beautiful act of mindfulness during the holy month. Love sustainable ideas? Let us know in the comments. How do I create a welcoming Ramadan entryway? Hang a Ramadan Mubarak sign on the door, add a crescent wreath, and place lanterns or candles on either side of the doorway. It's a beautiful way to set the tone for the month right at the entrance. First impressions matter. Like this tip if you're decorating your front door. How can I decorate for Ramadan in a small space? Use vertical space with wall hangings, fairy lights, and shelf displays. Stick to a few meaningful pieces, like a lantern, framed verse, and a small prayer station that won't crowd your space but will still feel festive. Living small? Drop a heart if this idea helps simplify your setup. What's a simple Ramadan craft I can do with kids? Try making paper lanterns, moon and star mobiles, or decorating good deed jars. These hands-on activities help children connect with the spirit of Ramadan in a fun, memorable way. Crafting this season? Comment Ramadan crafts if your kids love creating too. How can I involve guests in the decor experience during Iftar? Set up a guest wall where friends and family can write du'as or blessings. You can also create small take-home cards with Quranic reflections or gratitude notes to keep the meaning of the month alive. Love interactive decor? Like and share this idea with your community. How do I add Ramadan touches to my bedroom? Incorporate soft lighting, calming wall art, or a small corner with a Quran, journal, and prayer beads. Keep it simple and serene, perfect for evening reflection and winding down after Taraweeh. Trying a bedroom refresh? Tap like to keep this vibe in mind. What types of lights are best for Ramadan ambiance? Warm-toned string lights, crescent-shaped LEDs, and Moroccan-style lanterns are ideal. They provide a gentle, glowing atmosphere that encourages peace and mindfulness. Love cozy lighting? Comment your favorite lighting idea below. Where can I find Ramadan decorations if I don't want to DIY? Look online or in local Islamic shops for pre-made banners, table runners, and crescent moon decor. Many small businesses also offer handmade Ramadan collections that support artisans and bring authenticity to your space. Found a great place to shop? Share your favorite store in the comments. Decorating for Ramadan isn't just about aesthetics. It's about creating an environment that reflects peace, gratitude, and spirituality. Whether you go big or keep it minimal, these ideas can help transform your home into a soulful, sacred space throughout the holy month. If this video helped you spark ideas for your Ramadan setup, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave your favorite tip in the comments below. Wishing you a blessed and beautiful Ramadan.